Maayong adlaw, magandang araw, good day, mga dear viewers ko diri sa YouTube. For today's video, I am going to feature the road and the driving condition going to the Blue Ridges Mountain Resort located here in Carcar City. So our features will be, we will start driving from the highway going up there. If you remember, if you had been my follower or my viewer in YouTube, you know that last week I was able to go there in Blue Ridges Mountain Resort, and today I am going back there because I have something to buy there. Kay they have buko, but I told the staff there that I will come back and I will get the buko. And for this video, what you will expect a adventure going mountain resort in Carcar, the Blue Ridges. Maybe we'll get interested with this place, then you can visit, and maybe you are wondering what the road condition going to this area, and this video will be helpful to you. So bear with me as we go travel together going to the mountain resort. Let's start. I make a quick stop here. This is the way going sa Blue Ridges, and I just dropped by kay there is a good scenery going there. Actually, this is just doon lang na siya sa highway, but look at that, you can see the ocean over there, and this is the way going to the Blue Ridges, and this is the way from the highway. So just a quick stop. Our journey will start from here, going that way to our left. That will be those are coming from Cebu City, and this road going right is going to the proper of Carcar. And we, as we have made the video before going there, we started also in this Camellia Carcar signage. If you're coming from Cebu City and then you took a bus or any mode of transportation, not private, you may tell the conductor nga you have two ways. You can drop by sa Katugasan, you can tell them sa conductor nga Katugasan lang mo manaog, or you will stop here. Katugasan is just a walking distance from here. Duha ang dalan padung dito, but our journey will start from here, Camellia Carcar. So habal-habal and motor is available from here. So dili ra mo maglisod. I don't know lang kung pila ang bayad sa habal-habal going sa Blue Ridges, but I know the drivers knows going Blue Ridges. And we will start our driving going there sa Blue Ridges Mountain Resort here in Carcar. Okay, we will now go sa Mountain Ridges. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share my video, you can like my video, and you can leave a comment down below on this video. And on my channel, I am featuring mga laaganan here in Cebu City, Cebu Province, sa South and North, and also in Mactan Island. And soon, as we grow in this channel, we will also explore other islands of Region 6 and Region 7. I will be posting also videos of projects, condominiums, house and lots here on my channel. So if you are new and you think my videos are interesting, I once again please subscribe to my channel, as it is also a form of support, and we can make more videos like this, more travel adventure, more driving adventure on my channel. And if you have something that you can recommend, please also, I am open for recommendations. I know if you are not from Cebu and you are watching this video, and maybe one day you have plans to come here, and you want me to be your guide, we will try to do that. No worries for the fee. I'm not going to ask you something. As long as my time is free, then we will. If sa katugasan mo ni Naog, di ba, I told you nga na pwede sa katugasan dira mo nga dalan diha. So this ay magapon atong abutanan if sa katugasan or sa Camellia Karkar. So we will be going sa left, kay we will be going mountain ridges. So that's the road from Katugasan, and this is the road going to mountain ridges. Maybe you are wondering, no, why I am always sa mountain ridges. I really like Mandergod. So it was my friend who first introduced me to mountain ridges. So sometimes if I want to be on a mountain, I went in mountain ridges. Kay ang atong una-una manggod, I don't know in your part, but in my part, if there is something nga I am stressed, I choose to go somewhere, mostly mountains and ocean, kanang makarelax akong utok ba. And then after that, I can think clearly na. That's the way I clear my mind. Kay for me, nothing beats up when it comes to nature. Of course, makahappy man God when pag makakita tag mga greens like this one. Pag makakita ko pag makakita ko mga greens, happy kay ko. Sa ako ang balay gani kay paspas kay ko matubuan og tanom. Their term is ano daw, green thumb. Ingon sila green thumb, kanang paspas ka matubuan og tanom ba. In my case, ingana ko, magtanom ko something matubog yun. Sa balay gani kay dagang kog mga tanom. Hili ko ba tanom og mga gulay, kay iligsad ko mukha na gulay. I'm not into meat. Makaon ko meat, kasagaran seafood, chicken, baboy. Ano lang kanang depende. Pero mostly dili kay ko tigkaon og baboy. Kana lang mga isda, mga seafoods. This area is part of Canasuhan Karkar. So the Blue Ridges is in Canasuhan Karkar. It's Upper Mohon, Canasuhan Karkar. And this place has two schools. Naa siya elementary school, and they also have high school. And dagan sad mga diri mga subdivisions available. We will go there in nasa sila basketball court diha. Daghan pa man gud suluro, daghan pa malaaganan ang Cebu nga kanang daghang kaka-explorean sa Cebu ba. Bohol ulos daghang masad laaganan ang Bohol. Ang sa Negros, taga Negros man ko, kalaag ko dito sa Negros kanang nga dalan, pwede ra sa Japon ta di magi kanang gilikuan sa motor. But this road is recommendable kay simentado, mostly dire kay simentado man. Dito man god na simentado, but dako ang portion nga rough road. So kani nga dalan is ano siya kanang simentado. Na siya rough road pero dili rough road yun nga dati ba. Ako kay daga na kay ko mga nalaaganan nya lugar kay diri sa Cebu kay murag ako naman natuyok ang Cebu gyud. Since hiling man jud ko kanang mga laag-laag. However, as I mentioned before on my previous video, dili kayo ko into recording sa ako ang mga lag-lag, di kay ko recording anang di kay ko tig save og mga photos and videos of the places that I have visited. Pero now I want to do it. I want to make memories. So this part is rough road, and this is just the rough road area. By after this rough road na naman tayo simentado sa unahan. I will really appreciate if you will leave a comment on this video. Any suggestion that I can take. Maybe you can suggest me a place to explore, or you can suggest me how is my video doing. Is it okay ba? Kay if you say it's not okay, okay raman sad. If you say it's okay, then thank you. Di kay kulisod nga pagkatao. Di ta mag sa tawag ka ng enjoy ra ta sa kinag-give as always ba. As I mentioned always, just enjoy the life that we have. Bahala kung sa isulti sa ato bati ba or nindot or whatsoever, we don't care as long as we know that we are doing what makes us happy. Happiness. Kaya if you tell me nga walay kwenta akong video, okay naman. Kung walay kwenta sa nilaing napagay na ako'y nga kanang mag-English ba. So may labot nimo mag-English ko how say ganan ako mag-English OA man ko. So wala may mawala na ako kung mag-English ko. Kung dili ka mag na-istat to kung dili mo ganahan magtanaw kay English ko, that's fine. Walay mo ansa ninyo. Walay mo dili nga dili mo tanaw. Di ba? Di lang tamang ilabot kay and they have this beautiful. Our purpose on this video is to, diba, to see the condition of the road, to see what the road looks like here, and this is it. Ingunan siya. There is portion nga you can see the Bohol Island from here. There. Kato. However, I cannot focus kay basta you can see the Bohol Island from our right side, and that's already your view. Beautiful mountain. That's already mountain. The Blue Ridges, they have two swimming pools. Both swimming pools has slides, and then if you want to overnight, they also offer accommodations. But take note, it's better to bring your own food. Kay the last time I went there, they have food pero they only sell like junk foods. So if you can bring your own food, or you can bring your raw food, you can cook man there. They have grill station, then it's better. Kay wala ra bay tindahan dito. If you want to go on this mountain resort, it's better to bring your own food. Kay walay tindahan mga dool, wala mo'y makaon. If you can bring barbecue, seafoods or meat, then you can use their grilling station. You can also have they use the rate of day use is 100 pesos per head. So mo na bayaran niyo, that's already the entrance fee for the day use, plus you have to pay additional for cottages. They have big cottages. If you are a group, it's either a group outing or a company outing, they can also accommodate it because they have big cottages. If you are a family, like about less than 10 people, you can also do that. Kay na may area nga good for that numbers. And then their cottages, different ang rates. So 100 pesos per head is additional pa for your cottages. Every time I went there, I pay normally 400 pesos, because you have to pay for the entrance, which is 100 pesos, plus you have to pay for the table. That's their term, table. It's not cottage, but I can use any cottage kay sometimes taga visit na ko walay dagang tao. Ganan ako dito kay ang view ba, ang hangin, din ang view. If you are going to go straight, diba, the phone just got heated. So ako sa siyang gi-post ka diyo. Pag abot ninyo dire na i-basketball court, and then na i-cemented road, ayaw mo dia straight. Anyway, your habal-habal driver kan makatudlo man sa inyo ha. Diri mo sa right, ubos. Dilita mo straight. And this is the adventure part of our road trip. Kay we will continue the driving. On our left side, kay that's the makita na to, pero sa ato ang sana. Ako lagi butang ang seatbelt kay sige siya sound saba. You can search Blue Ridges in Facebook. They have Facebook, you can search there. So at least this video is just only a guide for you on what the road that you can take going there. Kanais man dito kay kana makarelax ka, especially karon nating init nya. Kung ganansad kag kanang palayo-layo kani imong adtuon kay layo gid ni siya. Tanaw dalan rough road diri, rough road. Pero kung dito ta sa pikas ni Agi, mas rough road dito. So nasa mga dagang kahoyan diri oh. Bugnaw diri nga area, kani nga part bugnaw. And then naa siya right and left. So kung ni ano ta dire, kung dire ta sa right, di ba? I told you nga naidalan katong dito sa ubos. Dire ta malapos diha. Pero since dire mata ni Agi katong nice nga dalan, so dire ta mag left ta. Diha ta ni Agi dapat o diha ay. Disimra na sila gyapon og kanang lapsanan dire ay pasaka. So kani nga part diri na nga part medyo challenging kay ang dalan dili na siya sementado. Unya mo tungas ka, tungasonon. Tungasonon gamay ra man tungasonon noon, pero dili lang gid siya sementado. Mga batuhon bang dalan. Kani ani imong maagian. Pero kay dagam man mga kahoy makarelax ra gyapon sa mata, dili ra gyapon kasaputon. Nya, bukid gyud ang imong agian. Literal gyud nya bukid. Kapit na ta sa mountain ranges. Kung ikaw nga tao hiligag ka ng green bukid kani para ni sa imuha nga video. Kay bukid jud siya. Nay ano dia oh. Residential. Nice kay ang ilang ano na sila ang ilang balay ba kay kanang native. Then ilang gi-develop og ayo. Residential na ano. Atong ano kalipay ang pag suroy-suroy sa kabukiran sa Cebu. Hapit na ta. Oops. Mga friends, kadto sa unahan ay unahan lang gamay mo na siya ang Blue Ridges. Overlooking, if naamo dito sa sulod kay overlooking jud ang iyang ano, overlooking gid siya. Then there sa kilid na asad siya ano there sa kilid ana bakilid na diya. kilid. Nya mo na ni ang Blue Ridges. Ang entrance niya kay na dito sa unahan. Blue Ridges Mountain Resort. Blue Ridges Mountain Resort. Atong zoom kana. So ang parking lot niya wala ray problema sa parking lot kay makapark raman mo dire. If dagko inyong sakyanan okay ra kay makasulod bang gyapon gyud dire. Mas may dagko kay makasugakod aning dalan nga lubak-lubak. Mao na ni ang imuhang entrance. So diri ang parking lot, kani-kani nga mga sides diri pwede mag-parking. Una na siya. And we arrived. Thank you for watching this driving adventure. Once again, this is Blue Ridges Mountain Resort located in Upper Mohon, Canasuhan, City of Carcar. And for more driving adventures and for more laag videos, just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos upcoming. And we are looking forward for growing this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. God bless you all. And we finally arrived here in Blue Ridges Mountain Resort located here in Canasuhan, Carcar. Thank you very much for watching my video from the start up to the end. And for more videos, we will be uploading more in the coming days, in the coming months, because we are targeting to grow this channel. And please subscribe. It's really a big help for me. It's really a big motivation if you do the subscription, as well as you can like the videos. Thank you very much for doing that, and looking forward for more of our driving adventure and for more features videos on this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye bye.